free project management, game creation, and vision capabilities using an AI tool. Come to Claude 3.5 Sonnet. On June 21, Anthropic released their latest version, Claude 3.5 Sonnet, and made it immediately available for free. One of the features they presented is a 200k token context window, which can actually be a limitation, as we can see in our demos. It says it is better than Claude 3 Opus, which is a paid version, and much better than Claude 3 Sonnet, which is a free version, and Claude 3.5 Sonnet itself is free. This is as per the cost versus intelligence. In benchmarks, it says it beats GPT-4o and Gemini in many of the benchmarks. It also has the state-of-the-art vision, which we will see in the demos, and artifacts feature, which side-by-side window which will appear when it is necessary, which we will also see that you can create a game and use it immediately in the artifact window itself. Now let us jump into actual Claude 3.5 itself, which you can access from here. I have this Claude 3.5 window open here. I have already signed up and using limited free plan. I don't want to use the paid up plan. As you can see, it already has some examples here. You can put your prompt here and then execute that. And it has one experimental feature. I'm not sure what this is. This is probably the artifact feature, which is now experimental. As you can see, it is Claude 3.5 Sonnet. You can also see your recent charts here, like an investment portfolio, developing a Tetris game, or developing a simple tic-tac-toe game. Some of these examples you will see in this demo itself. Let us start with project management. I can add the content here. It says maximum 5 with 30 MB each. I have uploaded this file project resources 2.csv. And if you see this file project resources 2.csv, it has a name, role like project manager, business analyst, like that, and an email ID. This is not necessary, but I have kept it so that you can use this in a project management tool. I have uploaded that file here and I will ask it, create a project plan for this project, allocating the resources as per the resource file provided. Project duration 8 weeks. Develop a website for our investment banking clients that will analyze their portfolio and provide buy, sell or hold recommendations for each stock in the portfolio. It needs to use an existing AI system developed by the bank to get stock analysis. It needs to just generate the project plan. Let us try this. You can execute from here. I have already executed it in another window. Let us see what we get. I'll create the project plan. Duration 8 weeks. Phase 1 project initiation and planning. And it has assigned resources Jim as project manager and other participants like business analyst and system architect. System design, which is by system architect and other participants as well, and tasks. Phase 2. So for every phase, it is given the lead resources, support resources, as well as the tasks. Phase 5, deployment and project closure, week 8. Finally, documentation and handover. Additional thoughts throughout the project. Project manager will oversee. Business analyst will liaise between the development team and stakeholders. Security specialist will provide ongoing security consultation. This is a job very well done. You can certainly use it for your projects. Now, let us move on to the next task. Let us upload a bigger file. I have uploaded a file which is about 3.2 MB. It says it is 46,000 lines and 6,272% over the length limit. Next, we will see the artifact feature which appears when it is necessary. Like I have created a Tetris-like game using React that I can play now. So it starts generating that and you will get the artifact window here. This went through 3 iterations. It generated first, but there was a problem. Please add a restart button. Also, I am not able to see the falling piece. So it corrected that error. Then I say game is ending prematurely. So it did that correction again. And finally I got the version 3 of 3. So this is the code and there is also the preview window so that you can play the game here itself. You see the falling pieces. You can adjust these. There. And you see there is a restart button also. And when the row completes, they will disappear. So it is working properly. And you can see the code. And also you can download the code into a file and use it in other systems. So this artifact window is very useful for a developer who can see the code and also preview as well in the same window. Next, let us test its image capability. Please analyze the image and explain the workflow. I have not yet added the image. Let us add an image. This is the image I wanted to analyze. This is not very clearly visible because of the background, but let us see if AI is able to understand this. Please analyze the image and explain the workflow. It shows the clear image here. So this setup suggests a system where the AI agent acts as a problem-solving tool for the enterprise. The enterprise application serves as a central hub and data flows between different components to support decision-making and problem-solving processes. The workflow appears to be designed to leverage AI capabilities in conjunction with enterprise data to solve problems and generate solutions within the organization's software ecosystem. This is the agentic workflow that I cover in my course on ChatGPT for managers. So it does a good job. So this showcases the vision capability of Claude 3.5, which seems to be quite excellent. In this video, we have seen the Anthropic Announcement, seen how Claude 3.5 Sonnet can be used for creating a project plan. We have seen the amazing artifact feature to generate a game. We have seen its vision capability to analyze an agentic workflow diagram and explain the workflow. We have used the free version only for this. Only one limitation we saw was that it was not able to analyze a data file of 3 megabytes size. All in all, Claude 3.5 Sonnet free version is an excellent tool for professionals to use. There may be limitation on the number of prompts you can use in a day, but you can probably live with that limitation. Please subscribe to my channel and receive updates on latest big data, cloud and AI technology. Also explore my course on Udemy, including the latest course ChatGPT for Managers, which is hot and new. Add your comments on your first impression of Claude 3.5 Sonnet.